This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Exodus app. First, download and install the Exodus wallet on your device, whether it's desktop or mobile. Once installed, open the app and create a new wallet. Remember to back up your recovery phrase immediately and store it securely offline. This phrase is crucial for restoring your funds if you lose access to your device. Never share it with anyone. Now, let's talk about funding your wallet and sending crypto. To receive funds, simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive, then click Receive to display your unique wallet address and QR code. Share this with the sender. When sending, choose the asset, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always verify the address carefully before confirming the transaction to prevent irreversible loss of funds. Exodus makes these processes straightforward. Exodus also allows you to exchange cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Navigate to the exchange section, select the assets you want to swap, and enter the amount. The app will show you the conversion rate before you confirm. For security, always enable two-factor authentication if available, and consider using a strong, unique password. Regularly update your app to benefit from the latest security patches and features, keeping your digital assets safe. Beyond the basics, Exodus offers advanced features like detailed portfolio tracking, allowing you to monitor your investments over time. You can also customize network fees for faster or cheaper transactions, depending on your needs. For maximum security, consider pairing your Exodus wallet with a compatible hardware wallet. This adds an extra layer of protection for your private keys. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home. Keeping your crypto secure and your home clean is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.